everyone, respected Father Principal, sisters, teachers, and all my dear friends. I, Rachi Lalwani of class 10th A, is going to conduct today's digital assembly along with my classmates. So now, let's talk to Lucky.
So as you all friends know that Navratri fever is going on everywhere, and today is the third day of Navratri, the day of Ma Chandraghanta Devi. The name Chandraghanta means the one having moon on her forehead. She rides on a tiger and she blesses her devotees abundantly. It is believed that planet Shukra is governed by Ma Chandraghanta.
So now, let's begin our day with a prayer.
ये मत कहो खुदा से मेरी मुश्किलें बड़ी हैं, ये मत कहो खुदा से मेरी मुश्किलें बड़ी हैं। इन मुश्किलों से कह दो मेरा खुदा बड़ा है, इन मुश्किलों से कह दो मेरा खुदा बड़ा है। आती है आंधियाँ तो कर उनका खैर मकदम, आती है आंधियाँ तो कर उनका खैर मकदम। तूफान से ही तो लड़ने खुदा ने तुझे चुना है। ये मत कहो खुदा से मेरी मुश्किलें बड़ी हैं, ये मत कहो खुदा से मेरी मुश्किलें बड़ी हैं। इन मुश्किलों से कह दो मेरा खुदा बड़ा है, इन मुश्किलों से कह दो मेरा खुदा बड़ा है। अग्नि में तप के सोना है और भी निखरता, अग्नि में तप के सोना है और भी निखरता। दुर्गम को पार करके हिमालय कोई चढ़ा है। लाएंगे रंग मेहनत आखिर तुम्हारे एक दिन, लाएंगे रंग मेहनत आखिर तुम्हारे एक दिन। होगा विशाल तरवर वो बीज जो पड़ा है, होगा विशाल तरवर वो बीज जो पड़ा है। ये मत कहो खुदा से मेरी मुश्किलें बड़ी हैं, ये मत कहो खुदा से मेरी मुश्किलें बड़ी हैं। इन मुश्किलों से कह दो मेरा खुदा बड़ा है, इन मुश्किलों से कह दो मेरा खुदा बड़ा है, मेरा खुदा बड़ा है, मेरा खुदा बड़ा है।
If your plans don't work, then don't be sad, because God has much better plans than yours. I would invite Honorable Father Principal for school prayer.
Happy morning, my dear students. Let us begin this day with a small prayer. Almighty God, source of life, we worship and praise you. You are the truth and origin of all knowledge. Bless us that we may study well, obey our parents and teachers, and be honest in our behavior. Lead us from darkness to light. Bless our studies and enlighten our intellect. Grant us the grace to seek truth and make us truly wise.
I am an Indian and we celebrate all the festivals in every region of every religion. That is why it's called Incredible India. Now I would invite Saniha and Lucky to give us information about different festivals of India.
How would you define a country as vast and diverse as India? Tough job, isn't it?
However, even if the food, culture, language and the way of life differs in various parts of India, but the one thing that binds our country together in the spirit of celebrating life manifests in various Indian festivals.
It's true that celebration is indeed a way of life. The sheer number of festivals observed and celebrated in India is a subject of great amazement of people across the globe.
Incredible India. You all might have heard this, but today we are going to tell you some unusual festivals of India that make India incredible. OMG, ye mera India.
So
Sania, do you know about unusual festival? It is called Hornbill Festival. Hornbill Festival is one of the most popular festival of Nagaland. It is celebrated from 1st December to 10th December. This festival is celebrated by the tribes of the Naga Heritage Village. OMG factor of this festival is that it is famous for its rock contest, events, dance, singing, music, celebrated and performed by the tribes.
Lucky. Now I will tell you about another festival and you will be amazed to know that it is Bikaner Camel Festival. Bikaner Camel Festival is the 2-day long celebration and it is specified to the Indian state Rajasthan. The festival is dedicated to the camel and it is also referred to the ship of desert. Friends, do you know the OMG factor? It is that the festival marks brightly dressed camels along with its master marching to the sandy backdrop of Junagadh Fort.
Sania, now it's my turn. I will tell you about one more unusual festival. It is called Losar Festival. It is the one of the most important festival of Ladakh. It is celebrated for 15 days during January to March. It is also called Tibetan New Year. Oh, do you know the OMG factor of this festival? Well, I tell you, this festival is remarked with Asian ceremonies that represent the struggle between good and evil. The mythos ceremony of this festival is lifetime experience.
Lucky, have you heard about Uti Summer Festival? The most famous festival of India. It is celebrated every year in the month of May and it is organized by the State Tourism Department and Ministry of Tourism. Do you know the OMG factor? The OMG factor of this festival is that festival sees a lot of events like road show, flower show, rose show, dog show, vegetable show and lots more.
Well, these were the some unusual festivals that make India incredible and OMG! Happy Navratri to all!
But study hard, huh?
Inspirational quotes are greatly beneficial to everyone. They can send us in the new directions by presenting the ideas of others. Now, Dharmi will come and say the quote of the day.
Good morning everyone. I, Dharmi Kanjia of standard 10th A is going to say thought of the day. Climb the mountain, not so the world can see you, but so you can see the world. I would like to repeat my thought. Climb the mountain, not so the world can see you, but so you can see the world. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Science of today is the future of tomorrow. With this, I would invite Samir Bhaktani to tell us some facts about science.
Good morning everyone. My name is Samir Bhaktani of class 10th A and today I want to share some interesting science facts with you all that you might not know about through this medium of digital assembly. Number 1. Do you know what the highest mountain known to man is? If you said Mount Everest, then you are only partially correct because Everest is the highest mountain only on Earth. The actual highest mountain known to man is on an asteroid called Vesta and is about 22 kilometers in height. That is nearly thrice as big as Everest. Number 2. It is not possible to walk on planets like Jupiter, Uranus, Neptune or Saturn as they don't have a solid surface. They are mostly made up of different gases. Number 3. As we know that metal expands when it gets heated, due to which Eiffel Tower can be 15 centimeters taller during summer. Number 4. Sun alone in our entire solar system occupies nearly 99.8% mass of our entire solar system. And finally, number 5, bats are the only mammals that have wings. I hope that you found these facts interesting. Thank you and have a great day ahead.
Never give up on what you really want to do. The person with big dream is more powerful than the one with all the facts. With this, please get ready for the pledge.
India is my country and all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall always respect my parents, teachers and all my elders and treat everyone with courtesy. I pledge my devotion to my country and its people. My happiness lies in its well-being and prosperity.
A thoughtful mind, when sees the nation's flag, sees not the flag but the nation itself. I would request you all to get ready for the national anthem. We would like to thank Father Principal and our class teacher for providing us this opportunity to conduct today's digital assembly. Keep smiling. Have a nice day ahead. Thank you.